Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be unlocking the bootloader of this tablet. This is Huawei Mediapad T5 Wi-Fi version. So as you can see, it's running on Android 8 and it has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The problem is now Huawei doesn't provide any official way to unlock this one, so you have to disassemble the tablet and you have to use test point method to unlock the bootloader. So I will be showing you how you can disassemble this and unlock the bootloader. So the warning is that do it your own risk. If anything breaks, I am not responsible for anything. So I previously disassembled this tablet and unlocked the bootloader, so I know how to do that. So please make sure you have proper tools to unlock this, otherwise it will be difficult for you, and also you can break the display of this tablet. So let's first disassemble the tablet. So as you can see, okay, then don't, as you can see there is a ribbon cable, so keep the display like this. Okay, don't do anything, just keep the display like this, then turn off the device, power off. Okay, as it's now plug your USB and don't connect it to the PC right now. You just connect the micro USB cable to your tablet and leave it connected. Now go to your PC and there is some file you have to install, like Huawei driver test point RAR, Huawei Android USB driver, minimal ADB driver, and this is the software how you will unlock the bootloader. So you have to install these 3 software to communicate with your device. Then open this software. As you can see, Potato NB. I have already installed this driver, so I am not going to do that again. Just open this software. So the software and other things, everything will be description below. You can find it and you can download. Also, it may erase your device, so back up your data. So then how you can, now you can select here like green 65 XA and just press the power button of your device and connect this. I have boot the tablet, but you just no need to boot the tablet. If it boots, then you have to again turn off your device and do the same method again. So be careful to do that. It's actually very difficult to do. So let's try it again. Then go again here, turn off, power off. So now you just, here you can see this is a test point, and you just hold here, hold the test point with the ground, and then plug this and press the power button together. As you can see, it connected to my device. Now you can just leave it. If it's turned on, then you have to do it again. So as you can see here, as you can see Huawei USB CAN 1.0, then just press start. It will do the unlock process. And it's unlocking now. It's vibrating, and new unlock code is this, and it's unlock your device. Now you can see the warning message in your device that it's the device is unlocked, something else. So now let's check, is it unlocked or not. Try to turn off the device and restart, and it will show you, if it's unlocked, it will show you some kind of warning before turning on your device. I think it didn't unlock the device, but as you can see here, it said that your device is unlocked. FB lock is dead, it's unlocked now. So bootloader is unlocked now, as you can see, it's saying like that. And let's try it, check it again, it's turned on or not. Disconnect your device, just turn off your device again. Now turn it on to check it's unlocked or not. It didn't show any warning, but as you can see here, it said unlocked. Let's try with this. Copy this one and try to connect your device as in the fast boot mode. So to do that, turn off your device first, turn off, and press and hold the volume up, volume down and power button, and connect your device to your PC, and it will open the fast boot mode. As you can see, phone is locked, FRP is locked. So we got the password. So what we're going to do, we just go to the Windows C drive, then go to x86, then you will find the IDB, then write CMD there, then you type first boot devices, then write first boot OEM unlock, then paste the key and try it. It said navigate to develop mode and enable OEM unlocks. So the problem is I didn't turn on the OEM unlock from my developer option, so you have to do unlock again. I have to boot the device. Previously the step was not like that, it usually unlock the device without running any command, but nowadays I think they changed a little bit. The software didn't do that automatically. So as you can see, my phone is booted up. So just go to the developer option, system and developer option, and enable OEM unlock, enable it. Now just turn off your device. Home button and your power button and volume down button together, press together. Now press first boot devices and first boot OEM unlock. then press the password. As you can see, it says your bootloader is you may void warranty, so press yes. Just I think it will work with volume button and yes, power button, and as you can see, it unlocked the yes, now it's unlocked the bootloader. So if it's unlocked the bootloader, you will see this warning message, otherwise you will not see any warning message from the device. So now you can unplug your device, just leave it there, and you can gently put your device and just, as you can see, it's doing factory reset. As I said, it will erase the device. So if you are doing this unlocking, then be careful to back up your data. So that's it for today. See you next time, and I will be doing the TWRP recovery for this tablet. So please keep eye on my channel. See you later.